Good morning everyone. In this video you're going to learn about the introduction to Java and its features. Java is well known for programming language and its platform independence. It's a high-level programming language, robust and secure programming language. It follows the object-oriented concepts, class-based, concurrent in nature and a general-purpose computer-based language developed mostly for internet purpose. And the nature of its robustness has made it to be used worldwide. The paradigm behind Java is object-oriented and dynamic language developed by Sun Solaris or Sun Microsystems, okay, by James Gosling. Coming to the features of Java, Java is simple, object-oriented, distributed, robust in nature, secure, system-independent, portable, interpreted, high performance, multi-threaded, and dynamic in nature. So all these features of Java made it very unique and platform independent and very widely used in nature. Let us have a look of each one of them in detail now. To the very first point, Java is very simple, means it is easy to learn and understand. It follows all the object-oriented concepts, that is objects, classes, inheritance, data abstraction, data encapsulation and polymorphism. I'm not going to discuss all these concepts here because a separate video is available. You can check the description box for the detail. Java is distributed, means it facilitates the users to understand distributed applications in Java and the RMI, remote methods. The remote method invocation and the EJB, Enterprise Java Beans, helps us to execute or created distributed onto the distributed applications. This feature of Java makes us able to access files by calling it elsewhere onto the machine through internet. Java is robust in nature. The English meaning of robust is strong. Yes, it's very strong in terms of memory management as it handles exception handling as well. Not only this, it also manages automatic garbage collection of the data. Java is well known for its security as there is no explicit pointer concept available and Java programs run inside the JVM, which is acting as a shield of a protection for the programs as a security. Java is system independence, means the code that you are executing, it can be executed onto the multiple platforms like your Mac OS, Windows, Linux, anywhere. Okay, and Java code is compiled by the compiler and converted into bytecode. The bytecode is a system independent code because of it can be running on multiple platforms. That's the reason it has been familiar or known as write once and execute elsewhere. Portability, it facilitates you to carry the Java bytecode to any platform. It doesn't require for implementation. High performance. Java is faster than any other traditional interpreted programming languages like your C and C++ because of its bytecode nature. Java is known not only for interpreted but also compiler program, okay, because the Java source code, whatever it is, when it's been compiled, it will be converted into the binary bytecode using the Java compiler. Okay, then this bytecode will be running onto the JVM, that is Java virtual machine, which helps us to develop the or compile execute it, which is a software based interpreter. That is the reason Java is considered as both interpreted and compiled based programming language. Multi-threaded, yes, a thread is like a separate or a small program that will be executing concurrently to complete its task, right? So the major feature of the threads is it doesn't require memory storage. It will be completing the task, as many tasks as it has been assigned for, and this is one of the reason where multitasking and multi programming has come into existence in Java. Dynamic nature. Java is a dynamic language. It supports the dynamic loading of the classes and majorly the classes of Java will be loaded only on demand. These are the features of Java. Hope it's clear. In the coming videos you will be learning many other concepts of Java. Thank you so much.